Again at Solpower, and with me here is Sam Lee, the International Sales Manager.
Hi.
Now today we are talking about their direct drive rotary tables, and in this segment we want to highlight their capabilities in terms of the manufacture of mechanical components, because there are some people out there who believe that Solpower is just a motor technology expert. Well, those people are mistaken, Sam, right? Because you also have the capabilities, the machines, the know-how, the experience to manufacture mechanical components yourself.
Absolutely, yes. We do have over 50 mechanical components inside the DD rotary table.
Wow.
So besides the fact we design it, we develop it, we also manufacture all the parts here in-house.
Every single part of these rotary tables that we see here,
absolutely,
you
yes.
manufacture yourself?
Absolutely, yes. Blissfully, because the increasing of our revenue.
Oh, good for you.
Yes, thanks. So we have invested heavily in our R&D resources and our manufacturing technologies.
Okay.
So at the moment, we have 2 factories, 4 assembly lines.
Wow.
And speaking of the DD rotary table, our topic today, we have over than 20 employees working in the R&D department, and over than 20 models in production as we speak.
Okay, 20 models, so I think it's time for my second math equation of the day. So we've got 20 models times 50 components that you mentioned for one rotary table, so that's 1,000 components. Of course, some of them are the same components, but still a few hundred different components that you need to manufacture. So how do you make sure that you keep or that you reach the high quality for every single one?
Well, for the past few years, speaking of the DD rotary table, for the past few years, we have enhanced and upgraded our capabilities in both the quality management and CNC grinding machining department, both in hardware and software.
Okay, hardware and software upgrades. Can you tell us a little bit more?
Well, in hardware, at the moment, we have three CNC grinding machines, 2 electric high gauge, and of course, beside the CMM instrument inspection. And software, we already have the product ID card, which we include in it some specification, like the vendor code, some parts number, delivery date, some critical dimension of some parts.
Okay.
So our R&D teams can easily access those info at any times.
Okay, so hardware solutions and software solutions.
And very soon we're going to be applying the QR system.
Okay, so QR product code system soon to be implemented.
Yes, very soon.
Okay.